Namaskaram and welcome to all our dear customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the prices or the collection, we always have the best to offer to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too, which are a treat to your eyes. Let me show you today's collection, which is going to be Kalamkari and digital printed sarees. Very beautiful collection, and starting with the first one now. Here is a beautiful digital printed saree in baby pink color. Let me show you the body. On the body we have florals and leaves that are beautifully printed in maroon color. Very lovely contrast, very beautiful design. The border, which is also in pink color, has lovely floral booties in curvy checks, and then we have florals in lines and cross lines. All the work is in champagne gold zari. Here's a beautiful pallu for the saree, which has florals in lines. We have round floral booties, and we also have florals in curvy checks in champagne gold zari. All the work is lovely on the beautiful pallu in pink color. Let's have a look at the beautiful self blouse for the saree, which has floral brocade work on it in champagne gold zari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. Here we have a beautiful gorgeous Kalamkari saree. On the mehendi green color body, we have this beautiful florals and leaves jal. We have bright orange color florals with green and brown color leaves jal. Our border, which is in blue color, has small kadi in gold zari, and we have temples in blue color overlapping with the mehendi green color body. The contrasting pallu in blue color has zari lines in champagne gold zari, and then we have ikat style florals in red and white color. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color, which has zari lines in gold zari over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. The cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here I have a beautiful white and blue color Kanchi digital saree. Let me show you the details of the body. On the body we have this beautiful florals and leaf style in blue color, contrasting vibrantly with your white color body. Our contrasting blue color border has leaves on the edge, and then we have small florals and leaves jal. We also have paisley booties, and inside that we have floral detailing with florals and leaves jal around it. Then we have cross lines, and again we have a small leaves jal in champagne gold zari. Here's the contrasting blue color pallu for your white color saree, which has cross lines and floral brocade work in champagne gold zari. Here's the contrasting blue color blouse for your white saree, which has digital printed floral booties on it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. The weaver's prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here's a very bright lime yellow with red color Kanchi digital saree. Let me show you the body. On the body we have florals and leaves jal. Very beautiful pattern is there, and very subtle color palette is there too, complementing the lime yellow color body. The border, which is in deep shade of red, has cross lines in gold zari, and then we have these floral booties with paisleys and peacock detailing, and then we have small boxes in gold zari too with a green color edge. Here's the contrasting pallu in deep red color, where we have cross lines with peacocks and floral booties, and then we have floral brocade work, all the lovely work in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse in red color for this beautiful lime yellow saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so that you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here's a very elegant Kalamkari saree. Let me show you the body of this one. The saree is in off-white color, and on that we have florals and leaves jal. Beautiful color palette is there. So we have mehendi green with maroon and blue. It's a very subtle color palette, very lovely design. We have a very small plain border for this elegant saree in off-white color. The lovely pallu has pastel work on it. So we have florals and leaves jal in pastel colors such as pastel pink, pastel yellow and off-white color. Here's a contrasting blouse in cream color which has threadwork floral buttees on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear ladies, you can also shop by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website kancibml.com. There you can add this saree and many such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here's a very classy Kanchi digital saree for you, and let's have a look at its body first. On the body, we have very beautiful bright floral buttees. We have like neon pink color, we have pastel pink color, and we have green color leaves work too. Our border has lovely subtle silver zari work on it. Let me show you the details. We have dollar buttees and lines, and then we have peacocks in small boxes. We have cross line detailing inside them. Then we again have cross lines in silver zari. On the beautiful self pallu, we have small dollars in lines, and then we have peacocks in boxes in silver zari. We also have floral brocade work. All the lovely work is in silver zari, giving it a lovely glow and a very subtle beauty. Here's a very beautiful self blouse for this cream color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. You can also shop by clicking on the links in the description box. These links will take you to our website kancibml.com, and there you can add this saree and many such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was a mix and match of Kalamkari sarees and Kanchi digital sarees. I tried to show you such wide ranges in price ranges and different designs too. Please be back tomorrow for another exciting episode, and until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.